You got it. Get eyebrow. Shave a chunk out with one of these little doodads. Then get eyebrow pomade and do like your normal eyebrow, if that makes sense. Kind of like that. You're going to neaten it up afterwards, it's fine. You then get makeup remover and a Q-tip and you go where you have shaved. Like so. You then get concealer and then you go over in the eyebrow place itself to give it like a blank canvas. Yeah. And then powder here. Only there for the moment though. And then get like a liquid eyeliner. I'm going to use a brown eyeliner because it matches better with the eyebrow itself. Kind of like so. You can always go around and neaten it up. That's what I'm going to do now because it looks a mess. That looks a little bit better. And then you're going to go with the brown eyeliner again and go round it, but leave like enough white space to see that there's still a heart there. So it looks a little bit weird because it's on its own at the moment, but do the rest of your makeup. And this is the final look with the eyebrow and everything. Does anyone want to guess what I'm going to be for Halloween this year? You know, the fit, the hair, the makeup,